The arrival of Comet 3 Atlas amazed scientists, a strange object that visited our solar system. It was seen wobbling in the sky, turning as if someone was driving it, looking for a place to park. Sometimes it slowed down, and other times it sped up like a reckless driver. It was found to be full of water and carrying materials from another part of space. Maybe this is the proof that beings from other planets are visiting us. You'll surely be shocked to know that experts declared that the 3i Atlas could be alien technology watching our world. Some people believe it, while many are doubtful. But before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's already a big help for us content creators. Thank you. On the first day of July, year 2025, in a quiet mountain area of Chile, one of the telescopes from the Atlas, or Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Laser Alert System, located in the town of Rio Hurtado in the northern part of the country, spotted a strange light. At first glance, it looked like a tiny star twinkling in the dark, but when astronomers carefully studied it, they realized it was different from the usual comets or asteroids seen in space. This is where the exciting part of the story began. When scientists reviewed earlier images of the glowing object, they discovered that it had already been recorded the previous month. They just hadn't noticed it. The Atlas experts contacted the Zwicky Transient Facility, or ZTF, in California, another large astronomical survey program, to confirm the mysterious light. According to ZTF, they also had photos of it taken back in June. Just like the astronomers from Atlas, they had not paid much attention to it. After both teams confirmed it, experts became more certain that this object had entered our solar system and was traveling fast. At first, it wasn't clear if it was an asteroid or a comet because the two are different. A comet is made of ice and clumped dust, while an asteroid is made of a mix of metal and rock. On the second day of July, they confirmed what the mysterious light really was, using stronger telescopes like the Lowell Discovery Telescope in Arizona and the Canada-France-Hawaii Telescope in Mauna Kea. Astronomers saw that it had a thin layer of dust around it and a short tail, signs that what they had seen was indeed a real comet. That's when they officially named it Comet 2025 N1, or more commonly known as 3i Atlas. It was called 3 because they found that it was the third comet that didn't come from our solar system, after 1i Oumuamua in year 2017 and 2i Borisov in year 2019. The letter I stands for interstellar traveler, and it was discovered by the Atlas Telescope program. When we say interstellar, it means it came from another star system, not from our own. This is important because most comets usually come only from the area around our sun. It was discovered that 3i Atlas had a hyperbolic trajectory, meaning its path was curved in such a way that it couldn't be captured by the sun's gravity. It was moving at a speed of 57.98 kilometers per second, faster than anything naturally orbiting the sun. So, scientists knew not only that it came from another star system, but also that it would eventually leave our solar system. Because of this, experts rushed to study it before it escaped and could never be seen again. And what they witnessed truly shocked the world of science. Usually, when comets get close to the sun, the ice inside starts to melt and turns into vapor. They also release carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and some simple chemicals because of the sun's heat. These are the substances that surround comets when they approach the sun, which is why they shine at night. But the 3i Atlas was different. Instead of the usual substances, it carried nickel tetracarbonyl, a deadly poison that is usually made in factories and doesn't exist naturally in nature. Aside from that, it was releasing 40 kilograms of water every second, almost as strong as a fire hydrant used by firefighters to put out fires. This discovery caused even more chaos among scientists. What truly shocked those following the event was a statement from Neil deGrasse Tyson, a well-known American astrophysicist and cosmologist. He's famous for explaining complex space concepts in simple ways. He earned a bachelor's degree in physics from Harvard University and a PhD in astrophysics from Columbia University. In short, one of the smartest people today when it comes to space. On Neil deGrasse Tyson's official Facebook page, he posted in October of 2025 that the comet was shining in different colors and changing its direction. He said that the 3i Atlas appears to move as if under some kind of control. In simple words, it looked like someone was driving it. Different statements started spreading across social media. Then a group of scientists from Cornell University in New York released their conclusion about the comet on arxiv.org. They explained that the 3i Atlas could be an alien technology. They said in October, this object could be technological and possibly hostile. Furthermore, the low retrograde tilt of 3i Atlas's orbital plane to the ecliptic offers various benefits to an extraterrestrial intelligence. The eclipse by the sun from Earth would allow it to conduct a clandestine reverse solar Earth maneuver, an optimal high-thrust strategy for interstellar spacecraft. What does that mean? According to the analysis of scientists from arxiv.org, the 3i Atlas might not be an ordinary comet at all. It could be technology from another star, and it might be dangerous to our world. The first reason is that it tilted as it approached the planets Venus, Mars, and Jupiter. If it continued in that direction, it could come close to Earth without us even noticing. They also said that when it gets near the sun, it could hide behind a wide shadow and perform what they called a clandestine reverse solar Earth maneuver, suddenly slowing down to stay within the sun's gravitational field while observing our planet. Imagine that. A famous astrophysicist said that it looked like someone was driving the 3i Atlas, and scientists linked to Cornell University supported this by giving their scientific explanation for why they believed it could be alien technology. They were just a few of the growing number of scientists slowly believing that this was not really a comet. That's why it became confusing for ordinary netizens. Who should they believe, since even the experts were arguing? Even NASA seemed to stay in the middle of the debate. On their website, NASA published the results of their study about the strange comet, but it didn't mention anything about fake news spreading about alien technology. The website Live Science also denied the alien conspiracy theories that appeared after the comet's arrival. It said that the theory claiming the 3i Atlas is alien technology has no strong evidence. According to them, experts have called it nonsense, meaning the theory is meaningless. And that statement posted on Neil deGrasse Tyson's Facebook page? It turned out it wasn't actually written by Tyson himself, but by someone from the Neil deGrasse Tyson group, just another opinion. Maybe because many people are eager to find proof of alien technology, they were easily carried away by what some scientists said. That's why so many quickly became excited. As of now, there is no evidence that the 3i Atlas is alien technology sent by other beings into our solar system to observe us. Even though it has characteristics that are not common in other comets, maybe in distant parts of space, that's just normal. Its direction and strange speed, which seemed like it was being controlled, turned out to be natural for interstellar objects. Experts said that doesn't mean it's alien technology. Maybe, if aliens really exist, and they do create highly advanced technology and send it to our solar system, then someday in the future there might finally be strong proof that no one can deny. What can we learn from this? The arrival of Comet Atlas amazed scientists. It's different from ordinary comets because it carried elements that are not natural to our world and released a huge amount of water. Its wobbling and changing speed, sometimes slowing down, sometimes speeding up, had no solid proof behind it. And the experts concluded that because the 3 Atlas is unusual, many alien theorists were simply carried away by emotion. But that doesn't mean it's alien. As the saying goes, a person who rushes too fast always ends up losing. Open your mind and let your understanding deepen as you learn from stories like this. Stories that hold valuable lessons. Remember, truth is the key to real freedom.